Hi everyone, Clovis here from KinematicLAB.com. This video is about our new free plugin called NodeLIST. That's a new helper which enhances the possibilities of the selection sets. It has a few useful options, and what's great is that it can be saved with your scene and merged in a new scene. All the groups are stored in the helper, so you can't really lose your selection lists. So let me show you how it works. Once installed, you can find it in the Helper tab here under the KinematicLAB category. So you create it in your scene like that. And first of all, each time you select it, okay, or open it, its modify panel, okay, a rollout will pop up. So each time I select it like that, it will pop up. So if it's annoying, you can uncheck the Auto UI option. Okay, so now to display the UI, you will need to press the Show UI button. Then you just need to select some scene objects. Name the group as you want. Choose a color here. And add a group. You see that the group is created with the name you choose and the chosen color. When you select the group in this list, you see that a second list is below it here with the nodes stored in this group. All these nodes have a color corresponding to their wirecolor, which helps you to quickly identify the objects. Let's create another group. So I will call it spheres. Choose a red color, for example, and select my spheres. And I will create my group. So I have now two groups. And I can easily change their names if I want, okay, and colors, right? And let's make a third group. Now you see that when I select a group in the first list, all its nodes are selected. Okay, it makes an automatical selection. This is because the select option is enabled. You can disable it if you need, so it doesn't change anything when I select the objects, okay, or enable it, okay. You can also enable the show hide option, which will automatically show the current objects and hide the others. Right? And you have the same behavior on the nodes list. You select an object or multiple objects. It will be selected if you have the select option checked here. And if you check the show hide option, the others will be hidden. And you can disable the options as well. So what is also great is that you can create groups which contains the same objects as some other groups. So it's a bit like layers, but where objects can live in different places. So let's create a new group. Okay, and select some objects in different groups. Like that. And let's see what it does. I will choose a color like that and add my new group. Now if I select my torus group, it selects all my toruses, my spheres, and here my boxes, but when I select my a bit of everything group here, it selects all the objects I wanted to save inside it. So if I want to remove some of them, I just select them here, be sure I'm on the right group here, okay, and press the minus button. And now they are not inside this group here. I also can do it by selecting the objects here, moving all the spheres in this group, and press the minus button. So you see that some objects can be part of the box group and this group as well. Same for the toruses. So that's pretty good to save some selections and recall them later. Okay, now I will save my scene and merge it into a new scene. So first I will create some other base objects just to show you that it can work even with some already created objects and some toruses like that. I will move them away, and then if I merge my scene, we'll simply ask to rename some objects because they have the same names of these ones. Auto rename. And if I select my helper here, I still have my selection groups stored in this helper. And I can add more into them. Okay, so now my torus group contains all the toruses, and I can add some of the boxes in my box group. I'll add some spheres in my sphere group. That's it. Feel free to use it, it's free, and let me know if you have any ideas or more features. Cheers.